What's up? TK422 with another very exciting tutorial. Just want to wish you a happy Life Day. Check out my awesome sweater. I know what you're going to say. TK422, why didn't you wear an ugly sweater? Well, I was going to wear one with the rebel symbol and some X-wings and things like that, because that would make it an ugly sweater. But I heard a Stormtrooper wore one of those last year and was executed for treason against the Empire for wearing the rebel insignia. Now, don't know if that's true or not, just a rumor. I'm sure he wasn't executed, he was probably just fired, But you know how these things start to roll and these rumors get a little out of hand. Alright, let's get on with this. Today I want to show you how to make your very own Life Day Orb. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get one of these plastic snow globes. They're very affordable online. And we're going to want to unscrew this lid here. So just unscrew that and toss that. We don't need that. Actually, we are going to need that later. And then take out this waterproof seal. We're not actually putting water in. And then we're going to spray it with this brown spray paint. You can really use any brown spray paint that will bond to plastic. This is just trying to give it kind of more of a wood-like look. There we go, just a little bit more. Then we're going to spray this clear sea glass spray paint. Make sure we shake it too. And spray it on there. Now, in retrospect, I wish I had done some lighter coats and make it more smooth. So you're also going to want to get some LEDs. Take out the little strip that protects the batteries. Find the switch. Turn that on. There we go. Voila. Some nice LED lights. And then we're just going to kind of unravel this. Make it wild. Okay, yep, grab those lights, and then we're going to want to put that into the bottom of our snow globe. Turn that on. There we go, shove those lights in there, and they don't need to be perfect. It gives it more kind of some chaos. Looks a little bit better for this. Put the seal in, put the lid, screw that lid on. There you go. That's it. Very simple. You now have your very own Life Day Orb. Look at that. It's beautiful. Alright, well, there you have it. I hope you have a wonderful Life Day. TK422 out.